Hello, hi, and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, I'm Pamela, and as you guys already know by the title, that today I'll be doing a facial that is superbly budget friendly, and I'll be doing it with this product. This is from the brand Derm, and the price is rupees 145 printed, but you can definitely get a very good discount of 20% if you apply my coupon code. Well, this is not a sponsored video, but I do have a coupon code for my likey videos, and well, I thought of doing this on YouTube as well, because this time it is not really safe. Many people are really skeptical, including me, to visit the salon, and doing your facial at home is the best thing, I think. And I always do this because, you know, people who even know me, they do know that I love doing my things at home. And I'm just opening the seal. It is totally sealed, and I'm just removing the package, and I'll just show you what is inside. So yes, nothing more. I'm just keeping this aside. So it has okay, this is number 5. Okay, from number 1 I'll tell you. There is a clean nourish it's a skin, not clean. Skin nourishing gold facial kit cleanser. So this is the cleanser, and it is number 1, it's written. And okay, number 2 is a scrub as usual. Number 3 is a serum. Wow. Number 4 is a cream, the massage cream, and number 5 is the mud mask. Okay, so it is gonna be really fun, and I think I am such a DIY person. Okay, so okay, let me just find my pair of scissors, where it is. So yes, I keep on losing things. Well, it is always right in front of me like this, but I can't find. So yes, let me just cut this out and just see what is inside. Okay. Wow, it smells so good. Okay, so it has a creamy, okay, it is a cleanser. All right, so let me just massage this nicely. Okay, it would be really good if I had some makeup, but unfortunately I just came out of the shower and I thought of doing this because I think it is really important to do it right in front of you guys, so that I can give you a first impression and everything of that sort. So yeah, so the cleanser is creamy. It is like, it smells really good, and it is not overpowering. It smells really nice. And let me just massage it nicely all over the neck and my face, which is really important. And I'll use a wet cloth to wipe this after 1 minute. So I'll be just wiping it clean. So yes, and my face is looking really clean, isn't it? So yes, now the next step is number 2, that is the scrub. So let me just tell you that all these have a lot of product, so it can be used for 2 times. All right, so if it is for, I'm taking it like the printed amount, the 145 rupees for 2 times. Can you just imagine? So yeah, next I'll be just opening the scrub, and again it smells really good, and I have this special feeling for things that do smell good. So yes, I'm just taking this much amount, and it has a lot of more product inside. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm just applying this all over. Then I'll just dampen my hand and then just start massaging. And as this is a physical exfoliant, you have to always make sure that you massage it with your very light hand, with very light hand. You should not be just doing anything with your skin, okay? So yes, I'm just avoiding the under eye and the eye area, and just focusing on the areas that are really clogged and stuff. So yes, like the nose, the mouth, the chin, the lower chin, okay, all these areas that are really breeding places for blackheads and whiteheads and whatnot, all the gunk and the pollution and the toxins. So yes, I'm just massaging it. You can use some tool if you want, but I am just showing you the basic way which is actually possible for everyone to do, and while sitting in your house comfort and not just spending any extra money other than this facial kit. So yeah. So the moisture is gone and my face is well scrubbed. I'll just wait for another 1 minute and I'll just remove it with the wet cloth. So the next step is the serum, and I will just do this open and I'll just, again, this smells really good. So I'll just take out a little bit of the serum. You can see the texture of the serum. It's totally gel based, and I'll just massage it onto my face and definitely the neck. And I'll let this absorb into my skin for a good 1 minute, and then I'll move to the next step. So I'm massaging my face with the facial cream. I don't know how the footage got deleted, and the massage should be upward. And yes, do not forget to massage your cream just upwards, otherwise it will sag. So after massaging for good 10-15 minutes, I'll just keep it for 30 seconds more and then just wipe it clean. The last and the final step is the mask. So yes, I'll just keep it for a few minutes and then let it dry and just wipe the whole mask with the help of a wet towel and spritz some rose water because it will soothe my skin up, and use some gel based moisturizer onto my face because it's really needed after all those massages and everything, and some eye cream. I never skip the eye cream, always use eye creams, guys, and some lip balm, which is really important. And yes, done. So yes, that was the whole procedure of the facial. Well, let me just tell you a few more facts about this product. Let me just tell you a few more things about this product. So this product has clove oil, tulsi extract, turmeric oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, carrot oil, aloe vera oil, wheat germ oil, niacinamide, and gold pigments. So the mask may tickle you a little bit, and if you have sensitive skin, then it might do a little more of that. But this product is absolutely good for normal to oily skin. Well, I'm from the oily skin family, and just look at my skin now. It is totally flawless, and I have not applied any foundation, concealer, nothing, just some lipstick and some kajal and I've done my brows, even just the brows and no concealer and nothing underneath, okay, on my eyelids and everything. Like, it's totally nothing, guys, just nothing. So yeah, and this product has, like, it is like a total package. It has a cleanser, serum, cream, from everything, like a mask and everything that we ask for from a facial. A facial kit is specially formulated with vitamin E to provide nourishment to the skin. Vitamin E protects from the harmful UV rays of the sun. It generates new cells, reduces inflammation on skin. This beauty regime keeps your skin looking healthy, plump and glowing. Derm Dog Skin Nourishing Gold Facial Kit is free from parabens, sulfate and mineral oils. So guys, I think I have nothing more to ask for from such reasonable, such affordable, such pocket friendly facial kit. And the best thing is it has vitamin E in it. And yes, I think like, it's totally cruelty free and everything of that sort. So you know why I chose this, because when purple.com sent me this, I was supposed to just click pictures and just a random video of the product. They did not ask me to do any video, but the moment I just saw this, and I just know that this kit is gonna be really great for people like me and for people like who are always searching for some affordable version of facial and they are not really willing to go to salons, just like me. And this says that this is for single use only, and but then they have like a lot of product inside. Well, I'm not just talking about like from the middle class mentality of mine, but yes, they do have a lot of products. So I don't find any satisfaction in wasting my product. I'll take the amount that is necessary for me, and I'll always say, please do take the amount that is necessary for you, even if it is the whole package, or you can just use it for 2 times. So not more than 2 times, that is for sure. And this is such a great product, guys. I'm really happy, and thank you so much Purple for sending this across, and I really am thankful. And so guys, do use this. Let me know. This is very affordable, like 145 rupees printed, and you'll always get a discount. And yeah, just go and shop, and my code will be given down in the description. And yeah, that was it for today. I'll just take your leave, and I'll just see you really soon with some new content. Till then, don't forget to stay gorgeous.